Hey, it's Emily from supplyhouse.com, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the Grundfos MQ pressure boosting pumps. These low noise pumps are designed for domestic water supply applications such as homes, cabins, cottages, farms, and gardens. MQ pumps are easy to install, maintenance-free, and are essentially plug-and-pump units. They are available in two sizes, 3-35 and 3-45, operating on 115 or 230 volts. The 3-35 works with a maximum pressure of 49 psi while generating 3/4 horsepower, and the 3-45 works with a maximum pressure of 63 psi while generating 1 horsepower. All Grundfos MQ pumps have a maximum flow rate of 19 gallons per minute and operate in liquid temperatures ranging from 32 degrees to 95 degrees Fahrenheit with 1-inch NPT connections. They are self-priming and equipped with automatic reset and a built-in pressure tank. The dimensions are a compact 12.6 inches tall by 22.4 inches wide by 8.7 inches deep. There are built-in safety features that include protection from dry running, excessive temperature, and any overload conditions, ensuring a long life of the pump. The pump settings are clearly indicated on a user-friendly control panel with indicator lights. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.